All right, so guys, here we are, hole 7. I'm going to take a look at this one. So, this isn't a bad approach here. With this wind angle, you'll see when you do set up on this other fairway here, the wind effect is going to help take it to the ball, take it towards the hole. So this is a very good approach and probably very similar to the way that my guide's going to go. It really just comes down to wind angle. If you have a left or right wind, then you probably want to play the iron off the fairway. When you have a right off the left fairway, that is. If you have a wind like this, which is right to left, it's probably best to go off the right fairway and go up here. Now we're going to need to set up here. And you can see with essentially where my alignment is, I'm going to need to make sure that I kind of keep the ball guide to the right. So you can see that I'm kind of intentionally keeping it over here because it should collapse down here. And we are kind of towards min a bit. Not quite at min, but it's in the direction of min. I'm going to use a little bit of an overplay here. Thinking, what is that, 5.8 rings? And it looks like a little bit light on my ring adjustment. So I'm going to need to go at least 6.1 there, maybe even 6.4. So, but that's a good starting point. It gives you kind of the general idea of what to do. You're just going to have to increase the number of rings because you can see that it landed to the left of where my initial target was. So since it's landing left of where I originally set up, it means I didn't go enough rings. So at least another ring there. I'm thinking somewhere in the neighborhood of that, maybe 6.8 rings or 6.5 rings in that situation, somewhere in that ballpark. But also you're going to have to consider wind effect. So you do need to still keep that ball guide well out to the right because it is going to also shoot over to the left harder than what you see on your ball guide. So keep both of those things in mind. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next one.